Today we're going to look at the iPWR, or the iPWR, not sure how to pronounce that. We're going to look at the iPWR, and this is a battery extender for iPod Touches and the iPhone. So we're going to take a look at this. It's the iPWR. Okay, now we'll continue to look at the iPWR rechargeable external battery pack for iPhone 3G, iPod Touch. This also works with the first and second gen iPod Touch, the iPod with video, iPod Nano, third and fourth generation, and the iPod Classic. This is an 18 milliamp battery. And we take a look at it. It's a small unit, relatively speaking. Has a cap on the top here that you pull off, and inside the cap here you'll see there is there's a switch here and the USB plug. USB plug is for charging it. You'll use this cable that comes with it, and this cable is a retractable cable that you can use to charge it up. And let's see, in order to use the unit you have to switch it on, and you see you get a green light, and you switch it off when you're not using it. Powering it up is a matter of plugging in the USB cable, plugging it in your Mac, and you get a green light or a red light when it's charging. First thing I like about this unit, you get a red light when you're charging, it's a green light when you're using it. When it's fully charged, the light goes out. For colorblind people like myself who have a problem with red-green, I like that very much, because I can never tell what the heck the LED is really showing or really telling me. For me, the big test was, will it work with the case of my choice? So everybody knows I use this Mophie case, and will the charger fit with the case on there? Very important for me. So I'm going to turn it on, and we'll try plugging it in, and there it goes. And you can see it's charging up the unit. Now, I discharged my iPod and connected the battery unit up, and it charged it back up again in about 3 hours. Yeah, about 3 hours it was fully charged. But you can use it with the battery pack connected. So it's a bit bulky, and it does hide the headphone port. So that's a problem. It's going to hide the headphone port unless you're using the speaker or using it as an iPhone, then it's going to get in your way. So obviously this probably fits a whole lot better when the iPod is out of the case. Take it out. And actually not much different. I'd say it's pretty much the same. So this will power up your unit and allow you to use it when it's just connected, or if you just leave it in this state, or shut the iPod down or your iPhone down, it will charge up the unit, completely. I got about, I would say, almost 2 charges out of one unit. So this thing holds a lot of juice. Let's see, what else can I tell you about it? This is a lithium polymer battery, so it's not like most other battery packs. Instead of getting 300 charge cycles out of this one, you'll get 500 out of this one. And after 500, it still holds 80% of its power. So this battery can last you for quite a long time. So you can still see the connector here. So it doesn't sit really all that flush, but it does stay in there. So I'm shaking it pretty hard here, and I don't see it. I don't feel like it's coming out of there. When I hook this up to my iPod Touch and left it laying on the counter after I had discharged it, it charged up in, I would say, 2 hours. Yeah, about 2 hours it took to fully recharge the unit. And the battery has enough power to recharge the unit just about twice. So you can get 2 charges out of this thing. So I think that's a pretty nice feature. iPWR advertises the time you can extend your iPhone or your iPod Touch. By music, it's 40 additional hours. For talk time on an iPhone, it's 7 additional hours. Video give you 10 additional hours. And on the internet, it'll give you another 10 additional hours. So I haven't tried all those out, but the battery absolutely extends your ability to connect and use your device, whether it's an iPod Touch or an iPhone. And a couple of final specs: it weighs 1.5 ounces, and it extends from the bottom here about 2.3 inches. So I like this unit. I'm sorry that it covers the headphone jack, but if all I use it for is to recharge my unit, say I'm traveling and I want to recharge the unit for an hour or so in my bag, it's great for that. If I'm recharging it in a hotel room, well, I guess I could plug in my unit, but I could use this as well. Now this unit comes in the white here that you see. This also comes in a black, which I think is rather nice looking. So it comes in a black unit as well. So you can get it in either color. And I believe the iPWR site offers you free shipping and handling on these as well. So that's the iPWR SuperPack. And this is Rich Lefko signing off for MyMac.com, My Mac Magazine.